so bored. I can hang out with them. Now, everyone, get into the room now. What is it? Yeah, I'm trying to watch Charlie. Yeah, what could it possibly be? I'm bored today. Should we all play a board game? Why do you want to play a board game? We're doing something busy. You know what? Ow! You be quiet. What was that for? Ow! Hey, you stop hitting. You ain't. No, wait, no. You're gonna get beaten. Alright, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work. Yeah. Let's go back to cooking. I'm bored. Yep. I heard the noise of Junior getting beaten by Bowser. That's pretty cool. At least it's been 1 hour. I didn't see anyone. Not the time to sit back and relax. What are you doing? Are you wearing shorts? Yes, I'm wearing shorts. Good. I'm just concentrating. Oh, I should concentrate too. That's not you. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, why'd you hit me then? Because you hit someone else. She also gave me a black eye. I don't care. No. Go stand in the corner. Hurry up. Ow, ow, go. Ow, ow. Go stand. Okay. Stay there until I say so. 5 minutes. I'm bored. What's downstairs? Wait, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna wait till Mario's here. It'll be pretty epic. Hello. Hello, guys. How you doing? Good? We need a pep talk. Junior's been acting strange. You should get him out of the house. Wait, are you sure? Because he's been a good kid. Not to me. He just stayed in the corner. He's gonna stay there for 5 minutes. Yeah, that's kind of harsh. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 dun. Da 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 dun. Da 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 dun. Alexa, stop. Da da. Okay. I'm gonna get past the chair. Out of the corner. Corner now. No, you're getting out. No, I'm staying in the corner. Get out! Yeah, no. Let me get something real quick. What should I get? I don't know. What should I get? Aha, I think I know. It's gonna be really good. can't find this book. Wait, what? Ow! 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 You dog! You ran it out of the corner when I told you to. Ow! That hurt. Yeah, that's my dog. You're grounded. You're out in my room. Well, stay in your room. Oh. Have a good bed. Oh man, I can't believe it. I got grounded just to hit Mario. That's so boring. What are you looking at? Don't look at me. That's me. See you later. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. We only have 7 subscribers and we need more. So please subscribe. Hit the notification bell too. Please. I will be watching you. Let's make it to 100,000 likes. How do you go over there to the dark? Let's go downstairs. Let's turn on the light. I'll check the miss that. Alright, now let's continue. Yeah, that's what Junior gets. And I forgot he granted for a month. Junior, get over here. Okay, he's closing. Yes, get out of the house. Oh, better pack up my stuff before I leave. Probably should never end. Let's get my suitcase. What I need. I need my favorite book that my dad hit me with. Sugar. I'll bring my shoes. My favorite toy. Okay, I have to replace Thomas. And blankets. Well, that's all. Goodbye. I'm in Florida now. Florida is my paradise. I can go to Disney World. I wonder what they do. I'm the best replacement for Junior. What is it? Young Mickey. He's my new son. Wait, he is? Yeah, hold on, let me go get him. Okay, whenever you get your son, like and subscribe, please. Just like what Seal said. I mean, no, I didn't even actually, I did hear. So, please, let's make it to 125,000 likes. At least that. Okay? So, please. This map's taking so long. Here's Young Mickey. Hello? Young Mickey? That's his insane name. Ah! Oh, ow! Ooh, ow! Stop! Ow! Do you want to get replaced? No. Then stop it. So that's like he's bad as me, but not that bad. He cleans his own room. That's not what Junior does. He eats all of his food, which is a good thing. So yeah. Well, time to unpack my stuff. Let's see if we got everything. So I got my blanket. Okay. Blanket, check. Shoe, check. Toy, check. And book, check. Okay, I have everything I need. I hope they're happy without me. Okay. Billy grins, shouts. On a turn, the branches swirling in a deep, dark water. You're doing fine. You be a captain. I say. I like being scared. This book is boring. Actually, I like this book. Come on. Let's go one page. Page 200. There we go. Where is it? Okay, let's start reading. Yeah, it's so different without him. Everything. That's what happened without Junior. And Junior would be like, hey, what's up? Yeah, I haven't seen Jeffrey. Oh yeah, I forgot. He got adopted. Because he's 17 years old. I'm kidding now. He just lost. I don't know where he is. Wait, that's your son? Yes, that's my son. What do you think? Have you never seen Super Mario Logan? Or haven't you seen Super Mario Logan YTP? Anyway, so have you seen those? Oh yeah, I was in one of those. But different me, yeah. I remember that version. Oh, okay, wait, you're in for a fight? Woo! No, not the tail, why the tail? Woo! Ah, bam! Oh, Okay, I'm getting Junior back this instant. So I think he's in Florida. So let's go to Florida. 10 hours later. Finally, Bowser Jr., you're going back home. That all of them missed. Everyone missed you. Wait, did you? Well, that's not packing. But this is my paradise. I've been here for 2 weeks. Yeah, that's actually great. I even went to Disney World. You're not supposed to out. When Disney World tell me, you know what? Get out. Move. Get out. Get out. Now. This instant. Yeah, that's what I thought. Guess I guess it's right the packing. Okay. Let's get all my stuff. Gather up. We're gonna stay here. Forever. But what about me? Yep, that's easy. I'm back. Junior, I missed you. No, you did not. Move. Okay, go. Move out. Again? This is a prison. I'm out of here. No. I'm staying in this house this instant. Okay, Daddy. Cause seen that one coming. Well, guys, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.